My name is Erin Kelley, and my topic today is infectious viruses. To start off, an infectious virus is an infection caused by a virus. These kinds of infections, though, cannot be treated with antibiotics, with present-day medicine. I'm going to be talking about 5 different infectious viruses: the common cold, pneumonia, syphilis and gonorrhea, which are STDs, and hepatitis B. Hepatitis B can be considered an STD, but it's typically not grouped. It's a thing on its own. The common cold originated in birds and crossed species around 200 years ago. It is the most common viral infection. It causes a stuffy nose, congestion, cough, sneezing, chills, fever, headache, swollen lymph nodes, and general other sick feelings. There's no long-term impacts of the common cold, and if there were, a lot of people would be feeling it right now. Almost everyone in the world has had the cold at least some point. It's contracted through airborne particles, which you can get in you if you have close contact with other people or the surfaces that they've touched. It's usually spread through coughing and sneezing. Pneumonia originated, nobody really knows. It's almost always been around in humans. It causes sharp chest pain, fever, chills, dehydration, tiredness, sweating, fast and shallow breathing, shortness of breath, wheezing, coughing, and a fast heart rate. Long-term impacts are possible scarring of the lung. This is from it attacking the lungs so horrendously. It can be contracted also through airborne particles in close contact with other people. Syphilis and gonorrhea were both ancient and cannot be traced back because they've almost always been in humans, as far as we know. Syphilis causes painless groin ulcers, groin sores, groin warts, skin rashes, fatigue, mouth ulcers, a sore throat, swollen lymph nodes, and weight loss, which can lead to an unhealthy amount of skinniness. The long-term effects of syphilis it leads to either extreme organ damage and almost always death. It can be contracted through direct contact with a syphilis sore. Gonorrhea, as I said before, has been almost always in humans. The symptoms of gonorrhea are pain in the groin, painful, increased or abnormal discharge, fever, frequent urination, irregular periods in women, and a sore throat. It can lead to multiple other diseases like arthritis and pelvic inflammatory disease in women. This does not mean that it is like HIV and AIDS with the autoimmune function being turned off. It just kind of causes those things or can lead to them. It's contracted through birth or through sexual activity, as most STDs are. Hepatitis B is the last infectious virus I'll be speaking about. It originated in birds in the dinosaur times and transferred to humans in not sure what time. Scientists found bird fossils which had hepatitis B in them. Hepatitis B can cause pain in the abdomen, fatigue, loss of appetite, fluid in the abdomen, nausea, dark urine, swollen blood vessels, and yellow skin and/or eyes, which is the sign of liver damage, which is what hepatitis B attacks, the liver. The long-term consequences of hepatitis B are liver complications like cancer and liver cirrhosis. Hepatitis B can also be contracted through contact with blood and other bodily fluids. This is the reason why it could be considered an STD. Alright, well, those are all of the infectious viruses I'm going to be speaking about. Thank you.